Hi, in this video we're going to talk about how to install and set up PeMSyn for Matlab. First of all, be sure that you have downloaded and installed PeMSyn as a finite element method software for finite element analysis that is something required for PeMSyn. So after doing this, you can go to SourceForge platform where PeMSyn is hosted, and then you can proceed the download of the compressed file for the latest version of PeMSyn. So just click on download and the file will be downloaded, a zipped file. The zipped file is here, PeMSyn.2.3.3. Let's uncompress this file. When it's finished, a new folder is created. That's PeMSyn 2.3.3. Let's open it. Inside this folder, we have the README file, license file, and a quick tutorial in PDF format. Also, we have two folders, that PeMSyn for Matlab and PeMSyn for Scilab. In this video, we're going to talk about and focus on PeMSyn for Matlab. Let's open Matlab. Matlab is here opened. So the first action that we have to do is to check if PeMSyn is a known path or a known software for Matlab. To do this, let's go to Environment panel and then click on Set Path. After this, you click on Add Folder and select PeMSyn installed folder and M-file, and then select folder, save, and close. Now we can try open PeMSyn like this, open PeMSyn, and press enter if it's alright and okay. Yes, it is. PeMSyn is open now, so Matlab recognizes PeMSyn as a third-party software that can be used along your code and along with PeMSyn. So let's close PeMSyn. And now the first and the simplest way to work with PeMSyn is to click on Browse Folder and select PeMSyn folder. Let's select PeMSyn 2.3.2 and select PeMSyn for Matlab. When you do this, Matlab will list all files inside the folder. The main guy of PeMSyn is principal, so just type principal in your command window and press enter. In a few seconds, the main module, the main guy of PeMSyn will be open. So you can see here, we have spoke type, inner rotor, surface mounted inner and outer rotor, inset mounted inner rotor, inset mounted outer rotor, wind wizard, simulator, permanence coefficient wizard 2. So let's close it now and show a different way to set up PeMSyn in Matlab. Let's clear the command window and change the current folder to the root folder of Windows. Let's put C. So if we try now to call PeMSyn again like principal and press enter, an error message will be born in your command window. Let's clear this. So Matlab do not recognize PeMSyn as a known path. So to correct this, to fix this, you can go to Environment panel, click on Set Path, Add Folder, and select PeMSyn folder, PeMSyn for Matlab. So just select this folder, click on Save, and then Close. So now, no matter your current working folder, you can type principal and press enter, and you see that PeMSyn is called and will be open. So you can work in any kind of design and machine that is available in PeMSyn.